Hello everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video, and this time we have a very unique model and one that I didn't think I'd ever really be getting, but this was one of the ones from the exchange mall, and I decided, I saw it on there and I figured, you know what, I want something new, I want something different. So instead of a model, that is common or has flown in or out of LA, here we have the Cubana Cargo Tupolev TU-204-100 Charlie Uniform Dash Charlie 1700. We're gonna go ahead and get it out of this sort of saran wrap, seal wrap thing. Very interesting that all my exchange models the models I got from the exchange this time all came wrapped like that. Alright, here we go. Very excited to have this. Look at this. Yeah, this is something, again, that I didn't think I'd ever really be getting, but I wanted something different. I really did, and this is different. And actually, because as you guys know, I'm from the Cayman Islands. Cuba is just to the north of the Cayman Islands, and I've seen a Cubana Cargo Tupolev 204 flying over. I believe it's coming from either Panama or somewhere, or Ecuador, somewhere down there in South America, flying up over, going to Havana. I used to see their Aviation, I think it's the Aviation 76, the passenger ones, going from Buenos Aires to Havana. But I've seen a Cubana Cargo plane once. So yeah, pretty cool to have this. Yeah, just very, very excited. I don't have any Tupolev aircraft. I've never had any of these sort of aircraft in the collection. I've never really considered getting any of these until, the exchange mall kind of became a thing, and, I can basically get free models. So it's like, why not, I wouldn't normally buy this, so why not get it for free? Yeah, here we go. So let's open it up. The box looks really cool. So Cubana has quite a few of these 204 freighter aircraft. Uh-oh, that's not good. Got a gear that's loose by the looks of it. Oh no. Oh, it's the nose gear too. Oh, interesting. Ooh, okay. Well, this is gonna be interesting then. Wow, I haven't had any bad luck recently in terms of broken models, but here we have this Cubana broken. It looks like it just, I could just be able to slot it back in, glue it back in. It does spin. The gear does spin, or rotate, should I say? Oh goodness. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Just slot it back in there. Huh. Interesting. 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I got it in there. Hopefully it stays, but anyway. Here we have it. Basically, I look at it as the Russian 757, basically. Tell me this doesn't look like a 75 to some extent, you know what I mean? Anyway, yeah, so here we have the Tupolev TU-4-100 freighter. Very excited to have this. Look at this. So, here we go. TU-204 Charlie Echo there. The Cuban flag. Some little details and stuff around here. The nose gear, obviously, which is really detailed and really nice. The nose gear door. The main door. IFC, whatever that means there. Cubana Cargo, big titles, and the main Deck door there, cargo door, very nice. Some good details all around there for that. Got the antenna at the top. Got these interesting engines. I have no idea what they are. If I'm being completely honest, I did not do my research, so I apologize about that. But again, this is a Russian aircraft, Tupolev. So some nice big old engines here on this bird. Very nice though. Got some little winglets here. Very nice. And the wings look pretty detailed and very nice overall too. Just moving to the back, then you just have the registration and a door back there. And then the tail, and that's about it really. But it is a unique looking bird. It does look like a 7.5. It's like it sits high like one. It's, as I say, it's kind of like the Russian 757. It's interesting. Very interesting. And this side you have the cargo doors there at the bottom, even a bulk bin door. So really interesting. Really cool aircraft. There's a look at the bottom. Nothing crazy at all. There is a registration there on the under the wing on that side. Other than that, nothing. Top down view. Nothing crazy. It's good that the gear just kind of slotted right back in. I technically should glue it, but it seems to have just sat back in there. I just pushed it back in, and it's staying pretty good. So I don't really think I'm gonna worry about gluing it or anything. Ooh, actually, I just noticed this. Oh, that's a little bit loose. I don't know what's up with that. Okay, interesting. I didn't even notice that with the horizontal stabilizer. Like, they're a little, I don't know. It's not like coming out, but it definitely looks, it was definitely like at a weird, it's loose. It's a little loose on this side. This one's fine, but it was kind of like out a bit. But anyway, that's fine. That's fine. For what it is, I mean, again, this is a model that you probably really will never see used in a video, like an airport video. Maybe. I don't know what kind of airport it would be, but, you know, it's just one I decided to get for the collection because, for just, you know, why not, right? But, yeah, very cool model, a unique one. I'm happy to have it. Obviously that minor quality control issue, but at least it's just a very minor thing, and I've had, knock on wood, great luck with NG Malls and Gemini Jets recently, so I ain't even gonna fault them. It's okay. It's no biggie. But yeah, so cool model. Very excited to have this, and I hope you guys enjoy this one. It's a bit different from the normal, as I say, that you see here on my channel. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.